In this part, we will discover the encryption of EBS volumes. When encrypting an EBS volume, it has the following effects. The static data on the volume is encrypted. All data exchanged between the instance and the volume is encrypted on the fly. The snapshots we can take of our volumes will also be encrypted. All volumes created from the encrypted snapshot will be encrypted as well. Encryption or decryption is handled automatically and transparently. So there is nothing to do in the console since everything is done automatically with the AWS KMS. Encryption has a low impact on latency, so it doesn't hurt to enable it for your volumes. It has a very low impact on performance. The encryption level of the keys managed by the AWS KMS, it has the AES 256 level. This is quite common and secure. Copying an encrypted snapshot enables encryption on the final volume. Snapshots that I have become encrypted are also encrypted. To create a snapshot of a volume, the method is as follows. We can encrypt the snapshot using the copy. You can create a new volume from the encrypted snapshot, at which point the resulting volume will also be encrypted. It's then possible to attach the new encrypted volumes to the original instance. We will see how it goes in the console. Back in the console, we will go and look at our volumes. We have the two volumes that we created with our instance. And here we have the volumes that we copied from it, which is not encrypted but is available. We can also see here that its encryption status is not encrypted. So to be able to have this disk encrypted, we will go and check the status of our snapshot. Here we see that our snapshot is not encrypted, so we will make a copy of our snapshot. We will stay in the same area, copy from my snapshot. And we will encrypt this snapshot with the default AWS key. We validate, we close. Now I have my encrypted snapshot that is being created. Our snapshot is now created. We can see here that the snapshot is encrypted with a KMS key allocated by AWS EBS. Now we can go back to our volumes and we will be able to create a volume. We will stay on GP2. We can redefine the size to 2 GB. We will stay on the same availability zone, EU West 3A. For the snapshot ID, we will choose our encrypted copy. I think it's this one. Here we can encrypt the volume from the snapshot. We will create our volume. For the main key, we put the default one. We can create our volume and close. Then we can attach our volume to our instance, provided of course that our instance is in the same availability zone as our volume. Here it won't work because I have my volume in the EU West 3A zone while my instance in the EU West 3B zone. But we understand the concept, so we create our volume from a snapshot and we will be able to redefine the zone of availability. That is to say, to move my other volume from a zone or a region to another. And we will be able to attach to our machines as long as we are on the same availability zone. So much for the encryption and decryption of EBS volumes.